This is the ZERMA GSC granulator series. These compact, soundproof granulators are designed with a complete soundproof enclosure, resulting in an extremely quiet operation. Different rotor designs are available in widths ranging from 300 mm to 1,400 mm with a diameter of 300 mm. While it delivers excellent soundproofing capabilities, it still offers easy and quick access to the cutting chamber. This is ideal during rotor and stator knife changes, servicing, or screen changes. The sound dampening material used in these machines is based on the latest technological research. The cutting geometry of the GSC series allows even voluminous materials to be ground. The complete series line achieves a high-quality regrind independent of the material type or form, such as injection molded parts, blow molded parts, profiles, sheets, film, and so on. With different rotor designs and a wide variety of options, the machines can be tailored for many different applications. The GSC series consists of 3 designs. The 300 series GSC machines are mainly used in inline operations for processing of rejected products, or runners and sprues. The small footprint and easy movability make the machines very easy to place in existing operations. The 500 series GSC machines are mainly used in inline operations, or small central granulators, ideal for the processing of medium-sized hollow thin-walled products, or runners and sprues. The 700 series GSC machines are mainly used as central granulators for processing of large injected or blow-molded products as well as film. The integrated soundproofing makes it possible to easily place the machine in existing operations. Rotor and stator knives are preset outside the machine prior to installation in a supplied fixture. This makes awkward adjustment inside the machine unnecessary. The granulators are available with different rotor options to fit different applications. All rotors feature the V-cut technology, creating a high-quality regrind. The completely welded cutting chamber in conjunction with the V-type rotor design ensures dependability in operation and universal application use. In order to keep the GSC series as compact as possible, a motor and hydraulic opening system are integrated into the sound dampening enclosure of the machine. This also ensures a safe operation and quick, easy access maintenance. To minimize the needed floor space and make the machine easy to move, machine controls and electrical cabinet are integrated into the machine's soundproof housing. Key features of this series include: knives are adjusted outside of the machine. This is an easy compact design. There are different rotor types available to suit your throughput material, soundproof housing, aggressive tangential feed. To inquire about this machine, visit our webpage and find the Inquire Here or Request Quote button. This will lead you to an online form where you can complete your request and outline your requirements. You will then receive a response email as confirmation of your form submission. A member of our team will then be in contact in the next 1 to 5 days. Alternatively, you can contact us via email at info@rotajet.co.uk. Find out more at plasticwashing.co.uk. Search Rotajet GSC Granulator.